Okay, welcome back to part 15. Right, yeah, okay, what we're going to do is we'll start being able to add categories. So without being able to add them, then we can't pull them out, so there's no point doing the table or to display them as of yet. Okay, so what we need to do, guys, save the categories page as, we'll call it add category. PHP, okay. Let's have a look. Yep, keep that. Logged in as, keep that. All that is going. Okay, well here basically it's going to be a tiny little form. So we'll just start making that form. Method's going to be post. Action will be, it's going to be a different page. We haven't built this page either, so we'll build this in a minute. Adding category.php. Close the form out. Need a label. Now, it's a category. You could also think of that as the navigation name. So, because this is for us, this is in the front end. Call it whatever you want. Anything that's going to help you remember or understand what this is. Break tag. Okay. Input name is going to be add cat. Type is text. And ID again is going to be add cat. This is only for CSS later on. If we need to change things, just one sec, guys. Okay. Input. The name's going to be submit. We're going to check a button in here. Type submit. Value is going to be add new category. Okay. Okay, save that out. Let's have a look. Just type in there for now. Add category. Okay, could do with a nice bit of space in here. There we go. That's better. That's what it says on the tin at the moment. What time are we on? 3 minutes? Okay, perfect. Next thing for us to do, adding the category. There's a couple of ways I want this to do. Let me just think about this one sec, guys. Okay, yeah, I've had about 5-10 minutes to think about it. Yep, I know which way I want to go now. I'm bringing up my website. Nope, what we need. Thinking about it, I don't even think we've made a database for it. No, we haven't. Right, okay. One sec. Okay, guys. There's the database. Okay, so we need this to be CFA category or whatever we'll call your table. Columns. Think about this. Need an ID, name, date, time. Possibly fifth one. Put in 5. Okay, so cat ID. And category name. varchar. I can't imagine that being any more than 15, to be honest. Right, okay. Bear with me with this one, guys. I'm going to call this cat URL. Again, it's going to be varchar. Basically, as you can see above here, there's no spaces between anything. So what if, when you add a new category, you call it new page? Obviously, you need to strip that white space. Now, to strip that white space and then inject it into the category name field, problem with that is when you go to click on it here, it's going to come out, instead of link for, it's going to come out as new page, but with no space. So when we strip the white space, we'll just throw it into here instead. Yeah. Cat date, cat. I always like to put time and date things onto mine, especially if there's going to be more than one person using it. And remember that this website I'm building, this is going to replace this website. So, and it might be more than just me updating it, so, okay. Let's look at this. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. I'm not going to insert anything here. I want it to be done dynamically. I want us to be able to do that from here. No, remover. Okay. So now what we need to do is open a new PHP page. Get rid of all this bump. Open, close some tags. And there's going to be about 3, maybe 4 sections here. It's got to be at least 3. Just section this stuff off. So you don't have to section off like I do. I just like to make things. Oh, sorry guys. Press Control B instead of Control V. This again is makes it a bit easier to read later on. Okay, so we're back to the form commands now. So if is set the variable of the super variable, I should say, of post, which is our button submit. So if submit has been pressed, what do we want to do? Well, first things first, we need to connect to the database, and really I should put that above here, and maybe that at the bottom. Okay, so let's connect to the database. So all we need to do here is include. I don't think I was right. Where are we? This is going to be adding category, which is going to be in here. So we need to go out of one. Bring this into core. So out one, in includes. Why have I not put? Why is that in core? That should really be in my includes folder. Doesn't really make a difference. Strange. Definitely wasn't thinking about that. Okay, anyway. So we need to come out of one folder, go into our includes folder. No, we don't need to go into our includes folder because it's not there. We need to come out of one folder and just go to connect.php. Okay, let's make sure the string is valid. So make sure anything that we passed out of the form is valid. Again, so we're going to need variable here. Actually, we're going to need two variables for the same thing. I'll explain what I mean now. My SQL real escape string post add category. Okay, so what we're going to need to do is just basically copy this. This is for the URL. Okay, and also a date and time. Let's put the date that we want in. Date equals year, month, day. Time equals date, hours, minutes, and seconds. Yeah. Okay. In seconds. Just think about this now. Okay. What we'll do in this bit of code in a bit, we'll check to see if the category exists. Because don't duplicate names. Just realised I've run over 10 minutes in this, guys. What I'll do, I'll stop it here. We'll pick this up in the next video.